Depending on how many people you're feeding, that's how many chicken breasts. Now we're going to add salt to the flour, water, and eggs. A little bit of pepper. As you can see, it's still very dry, so we're going to add more water until it's like thick dough.
Thick dough.
Thick dough. So we're stirring here. Okay, because we're going to drop this into boiling water and make spetzels. Okay.
Okay.
So the consistency of the flour dough will be similar to this. It's not runny because we're going to drop little tiny pieces of dough into the boiling water. So it looks kind of like this. There we go. Okay, now we're going to cut up onions and saute the water. Okay, next. Okay, good. Will be 2 cups of chicken breast. Will be the right taste.
When Grandma Chris is no longer here, she just pours some on her grave.
Yes, when Grandma Chris is no longer here,
then it's the wrong
my
flavor.
vacation husband is here on time, 6:02, but he was taking his shoes off. So stir this all up.
Stir
Do you need more flour?
And I want to say this is too thin. I needed a thicker gravy. So we'll probably have to add some more
flour.
cornstarch. Okay, a little bit of water
Or tapioca flour.
or tapioca. Woo!
Good catch.
Okay. Just maybe 5 minutes.